And on the other table at Wyrestorm's stand, we have...
Steve Goodwin. I'm a technical sales engineer for the UK.
And what do you have here, Steve?
So we're showing you our range of AV over IP solutions. This is asymmetric matrix switching using traditional AV boxes, but using an IT network in order to be able to pass that signal around, which gives us a lot of flexibility in terms of how we design an AV matrix system.
And what could be an application of this?
It can be used for distribution of TV signals, for laptops, for any digital source that you might want to choose and send to any location within your building or your house, and it gives me complete control over anything, anywhere within that AV network.
Commercial and residential?
Absolutely, yes. It's same technology, but just used in a slightly different way, which is why we have 3 different ranges to suit different applications and the customer's expectation.
What has been the most interesting one for visitors?
400 series is our sweet spot, as we call it, which sits nicely in between our lower range and the much higher range products. So the 400 is our sweet spot. It's a 4K product, so it suits the data, but it also carries 1080p, so it looks after sort of legacy type applications as well. But the technology has been developed so that we can build a matrix asymmetrically, so I can now, rather than having a fixed matrix, which might be a 4x4 or a 6x6 or an 8x8, now I can have a 2x22 or a 3x97. It's kind of irrelevant, really. So, and most customers are now getting this in their minds and using it on a daily basis, where maybe they would have chosen a traditional matrix switch before, but this gives them a lot more flexibility.
Thank you, Steve.
No problem. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.